3 superfoods that will quickly improve your health. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining good health can be challenging. But what if I told you that adding just a few superfoods to your diet could make a massive difference in your energy, immunity, and overall well-being? In this video, we're diving deep into 3 powerful superfoods that can quickly improve your health, helping you feel stronger, more energized, and more vibrant every day. Stay with me until the end to discover how these simple foods can transform your body from the inside out. Superfood number 1. Blueberries, the antioxidant powerhouse. Let's start with a fruit that might already be in your kitchen. Blueberries. These tiny, delicious berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. Oxidative stress is one of the leading causes of aging and chronic diseases, so by eating blueberries regularly, you're giving your body the tools it needs to fight damage at a cellular level. But that's not all. Blueberries have been shown to improve brain function and memory. In fact, research suggests that the antioxidants in blueberries may delay brain aging and improve communication between brain cells. They're also great for heart health, as they help lower blood pressure and reduce harmful cholesterol levels. Want an easy way to enjoy blueberries? Add them to your breakfast. Blend them into smoothies, sprinkle them on yogurt, or just enjoy them as a fresh snack. No matter how you eat them, your body will thank you. Superfood number 2. Spinach, the nutrient-dense green. Next up is a leafy green that's truly a nutritional powerhouse. Spinach. If you've ever heard the phrase, eat your greens, this is exactly why. Spinach is loaded with essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, and calcium, which are crucial for maintaining strong bones, proper muscle function, and a healthy immune system. One of the best things about spinach is its high vitamin A and vitamin C content, both of which support skin health, boost the immune system, and promote good vision. And let's not forget about its fiber content. This helps improve digestion, prevent constipation, and keep your gut microbiome balanced. Another impressive benefit of spinach is its ability to support heart health. It contains nitrates, which help lower blood pressure and improve blood circulation. Some studies even suggest that eating spinach regularly can reduce the risk of heart disease. The great thing about spinach is its versatility. You can add it to salads, blend it into smoothies, toss it into stir-fries, or saute it as a side dish. Even if you're not a big fan of its taste, there are countless ways to sneak it into your meals for a nutritional boost. Superfood number 3. Chia seeds, the tiny nutritional powerhouse. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about chia seeds. These tiny black and white seeds have been consumed for centuries, and for good reason. Despite their small size, they are loaded with essential nutrients that can make a big difference in your overall health. Chia seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their incredible benefits for heart health and brain function. They also contain a high amount of fiber, making them excellent for digestion, gut health, and keeping you feeling full for longer. But what makes chia seeds even more amazing is their ability to absorb liquid and form a gel-like consistency. This means they can help keep you hydrated and support healthy digestion by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates. As a result, chia seeds may help regulate blood sugar levels and provide a steady source of energy throughout the day. There are so many easy ways to add chia seeds to your diet. You can sprinkle them on oatmeal, mix them into smoothies, or even make chia pudding by soaking them in milk or water. With just a small daily serving, you can experience big health benefits. So, here are my final thoughts. Incorporating these 3 superfoods, blueberries, spinach, and chia seeds into your diet is one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve your health naturally. Each of these foods brings unique benefits, from protecting your heart and brain to boosting your energy and digestion. The best part? These superfoods are easy to find and simple to prepare, making them a perfect addition to any lifestyle. So why not start today? Try adding one or all of these powerful foods to your meals and experience the difference they can make in your health and well-being. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Foods and Health TV for more tips on eating better and living healthier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.